Welcome to Turkistan TV News. Immersive simulation attempts to pierce apathy over Uyghur genocide. Koda Story News. Istanbul's Uyghur Genocide Museum guides visitors through a series of simulation rooms based on camp survivor testimony. Uyghur students in Istanbul are attempting to make people viscerally feel their ongoing genocide. They've done that with immersed simulation rooms and may have, to a high degree, succeeded. For the simulation part, we want visitors actually feel the experience, said Idris Ayas, 29 years old, who came to Istanbul to study law 10 years ago. By touching the tiger chair, by visiting the forced cotton-picking farm, the forced abortion room, and the concentration camp cells, visitors actually feel that these things are really happening in 2022. Steps away from Istanbul University, the Uyghur Genocide Museum is a student-led exhibition organized in a quiet courtyard of its Turkistan Foundation. The student group spent their summer vacation planning the project, opening the space last fall. So far, they say feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with the majority of visitors made up of Turkish students and international tourists. We knew the Olympics were coming, and we thought it was a good opportunity to educate people about our cause, so they can start acting while the world is directing their attention to China, Umar said. There's a lot of disinformation about Uyghurs, especially in Turkey, said Ayas. Others said, I know there's a genocide happening there, but after I touched the tiger chair, I felt how horrible this is. It's a shocking truth for visitors to actually accept it. The exhibition is ongoing, open every day. Call ahead for the simulation rooms to be opened and has no end date. Starting in March, the students plan to update the exhibition and add new items to the museum. We named it Uyghur Genocide Museum, but it's not a museum, Ayas said. It's not a history. It's an ongoing genocide happening in East Turkestan, an occupied country by China. Ilteber from East Turkestan TV News reported.